friends, today I am telling 20 opposite words. So, please listen carefully. Cold, hot, big, little, before, after, always, never, back, front, alone, together, all known, all, opposite, known, add, subtract, above, below, cool, warm, good, bad, yes, no, open, close, up, down, in, out, play, work, even, odd, fact, friction, public, private, on, off. So please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Please.